Mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá ní tilé toko. Mo kí yín pé a kú dédé àsìkò yìí ẹ̀yin ọmọ aládé. Odò àgbèwá kò ní gbé ọ̀dàlẹ̀ lágbára Elédùmarè. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ọ̀rọ̀ Pastor Adébóyè òun ló gbé mi jáde lónìí nípa ti àforíjì eléyìí tó tọrọ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá lágbàáyé, ní pàtàkì nílẹ̀ Yorùbá, wípé òun tọrọ àforíjì o nítorí pé irọ́ lòun pa nípa ìdámẹ́wàá. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, lórí fídíò yìí, àwọn bíi fídíò méjì kan ni mo máa mú wá. Bàbá wa Ọba Solomon ó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ kan tó ṣe pàtàkì nínú fídíò yìí. Ìbá wù mí kí ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa kẹ́ bá wa share fídíò yìí débi tó ti lè tẹ bàbá wa Adébóyè lọ́wọ́, tàbí àwọn pásítọ̀ ẹni redeem pastor, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ redeem tẹ́ bá mọ̀, ẹ bá mi send fídíò yìí sí wọn kó lè dọ́dọ̀ bàbá wa Adébóyè. Nítorí pé láti ìgbà tí Ọba Solomon ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí fídíò Pastor Adébóyè yìí, mi ti rí àwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kankan kan sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. Ohun tí Ọba Solomon dẹ̀ sọ nínú fídíò yìí ó ṣe pàtàkì, ó ṣe iyebíye. Torí pé èmi rí ẹ má ti jẹ́ kí n bẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ tán, mo máa fún yín ní fídíò yẹn fún àǹfààní ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tẹ́ni ẹ nílò fídíò ibi tí Pastor Adébóyè ti sọ wípé ìwọ tó o bá san ìdámẹ́wàá o máa wọ̀nà. Mo máa torí tiyín fi fídíò yẹn síta. Then ẹni tó takù Pastor Adébóyè ńgbà tó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn, òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run kan takù ẹ̀. Bẹ́ẹ̀ làwọn òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run yẹn wọ́n máa ń takura wọn dáadáa, wọ́n dẹ̀ máa ń jẹ́lọ́sì ara wọn. Ó ti yé, bá ti rí ẹni tí ìjọ ẹ̀ pọ̀ báyìí tó kún báyìí, oògùn ló lò nǹkan báyìí ni oríṣiríṣi ìyẹn wà láàrin wọn. Torí pé wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ́ra wọn náà ni wọ́n mọ̀ sí ọwọ́ ara wọn, òun ni wọ́n ṣe máa ronú bẹ́ẹ̀ síra wọn. So fún díẹ̀ yẹ èèyàn mi, mo máa mú fídíò yẹn wá, mo máa tò fídíò yẹn lẹ́sẹlẹ́sẹ so that ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa á lè yé yín, àti níbi tí Ọba Solomon ti béèrè ìbéèrè yẹn lọ́wọ́ Pastor Adébóyè. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ọ̀rọ̀ tí Ọba Solomon béèrè yìí tó béèrè yìí, ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ó wù mí, ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi, ó wù mí kẹ́ bá mi share ètò yìí gan kó lè dé ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa, ìyẹn tí ó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá wa tí wọ́n àwa ò sọ kí wọ́n má dáadáa mẹ́wàá. Ọlọ́run náà sọ pé Ọlọ́run náà pọ́lọ́run ò tiẹ̀ sọ, àwa fúnra wa gan náà mọ̀ pé ẹni bá fi tọrẹ Olódùmarè máa ń bùkún ọwọ́ tó bá tọrẹ. Ìbá tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pásítọ̀ ló ná, ìbá anybody bá wù kó máa ná, ṣùgbọ́n tẹ́ ti fi dárúkọ Olódùmarè pé Olódùmarè lẹ ṣe léè fún, èmi mọ̀ pé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ Olódùmarè náà máa fi ta yín lọ́rẹ. Torí èmi nígbàgbọ́ wípé lóòótọ́ lódodo Olódùmarè ń bẹ lókè, tó ẹ pé tẹ bá ké pé a dá yín lóhùn. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo believe nínú yẹn, ṣé ń gbọ́rọ̀ mi. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ bá mi share fídíò kó dọ́dọ̀ àwọn èèyàn wa, nítorí pé wọ́n ní ẹ̀kọ́ púpọ̀ láti kọ́ nínú fídíò tí mo fẹ́ fún yín yìí. Wọ́n ní ẹ̀kọ́ púpọ̀ láti kọ́. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ má jẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ jù. Kọ́kọ́ bá wa wo ibi tí Pastor Adébóyè tó ti sọ wípé ẹnikẹ́ni tí ò bá dá ìdámẹ́wàá pé kò ní wọ ìjọba ọ̀run. So a máa mú àwọn fídíò yẹn lẹ́sẹẹsẹ. Ẹ bá mi wo fídíò yìí.
Anyone who is not paying his tithe is not going to heaven. Full stop.
Kò tán síbẹ̀ o. Lẹ́yìn tí bàbá Adébóyè, bàbá tó mu kọ́fì pẹ̀lú Ọlọ́run, tó súnmọ́ Ọlọ́run pẹ́kípẹ́kí, tó sọ ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tán, àwọn pásítọ̀ bíi tiẹ̀ táwọn náà ń jẹ́lọ́sì, pọ́ máa ń jẹ́lọ́sì ara wọn, wọ́n máa ń jẹ́lọ́sì ara wọn dáadáa. Ẹni tó bá ti rí pé ìjọ ẹ̀ kún, ó kún gan, wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní jealous ẹ̀ oògùn ló ń lò kíní kan ló ṣe irọ́ ló ń pa torí pé wọ́n mọra wọn ní o wọ́n mọ̀ pé kéèyàn tó dérú level tí Adébóyè dé yẹn ó láwọn ìgbésẹ̀ kan tó yẹ kó gbé àbí tó máa gbé kó tó lè débẹ̀ ẹ má gbàgbé o wípé arákùnrin kan jáde nígbà kan tó tú àṣírí Pastor Adébóyè o ṣùgbọ́n lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí arákùnrin yẹn ṣe fídíò yẹn tán ó padà delete ẹ̀ mo rò pé torí ìgboro gbaná jẹ gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Redeem ló jáde torí kálukú ń sọ tiwọn ṣùgbọ́n èmi mọ̀ pé lọ́jọ́ tòní bàbá yìí ó yẹ kó jáde kó tún rọ̀rọ̀ sọ pé ṣé òun ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ fún yín wípé Pastor Adébóyè pé ẹ̀mí òkùnkùn ló ń lò èmi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ mo kàn ń sọ̀rọ̀ ń sìn ni o.
yọnu gbùrùgbùrù ọ̀dẹ̀ àgbàyà orí ó dàgbà kò dánú wọ́n pè pásítọ̀ wọ́n pè dáàdì ní wọn náà ń dùn dáàdì ń bọ̀ àwọn wèrè bíi tiẹ̀ Adébóyè àwọn wèrè bíi tiẹ̀ náà pè ní dáàdì on what dáàdì on what dáàdì wọ́n pè dáàdì nítorí pé o ní influence nítorí pé o ti kórè àwọn ọmọ yẹn o ti kórè wọn sábẹ́ o ti kórè gbogbo wọn sábẹ́ o ò lè sọ pé o sínú ẹgbẹ́ awo náà mo bèrè question kan sí mo ní kó dáhùn question yẹn o dẹ̀ láti dáhùn question yẹn níbi tẹ́ pè ní power room nínú RCCG yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tẹ́ pè ní power room níbi RCCG yín àwọn olóńgbàdúrà ń bẹ àwọn olóńgbàdúrà níbi ibi tẹ́ pè ní power room yẹn àwọn olóńgbàdúrà ń bẹ irú àwọn ẹ̀wọ̀n olúwa ń bẹ ọ̀pá tó gbé jáde irú ọ̀pá wo o tún ní sọ fún gbà kan pé kó gbé kóòmù jáde pé kó gbé kóòmù ẹgbẹ́ kóòmù jáde ẹgbẹ́ kóòmù jáde ẹgbẹ́ kóòmù wọ́n tún gbé kóòmù jáde àwọn yẹn ya ẹlẹ́dàá wọn ibi tó gọ̀dé kóòmù tí Adébóyè ní kẹ́ gbé jáde tó ní kẹ́ máa yà gbogbo ògo yín ló ń gbà gbogbo ògo yín ló ń gbà ẹ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ lè lọ mọ́ láti gbàdúrà sọ ẹ lè lọ mọ́ ìbọn ẹ̀ ti fẹ́ lọ ẹ lè lọ ẹ lè kọ́ ló fẹ́ rí òkè mú bọ̀ olófẹ́ rí ọ̀pá tí Adébóyè gbé sókè I will show it to you I will show it to you I will show it to you ọ̀pá wo mú bọ̀ o fẹ́ wo ọ̀pá tí Adébóyè gbé sókè àbí má bí wọn ẹ̀ ṣé orí wo má bí nítorí mú bọ̀ náà mú bọ̀ olófẹ́ rí o fẹ́ rí ọ̀pá. Dẹ̀ wò náà bóyá mo lè ṣe báyìí. Wo ìwọ tó lọ fẹ́ rí ọ̀pá sórí Adébóyè kan ló gbọ́ ọ̀pá sókè yẹn. Ṣé Adébóyè yìí kan ló gbọ́ ọ̀pá sókè yìí? Ọ̀pá magic. Ọ̀pá kọ́ ló Adébóyè gbé sókè yẹn. Mo ń bẹ̀ lọ ọ̀pá kọ́ ló gbé sókè yẹn. Ṣé ọ̀pá kọ́ ló gbé sókè yẹn? Ọ̀pá kí ló gbé sókè? Láàrin congregation over 100,000 tó ní kó gbọ́ pàṣókè kókó gbogbo máa wojú ọ̀pá tó náà máa gbàdúrà ó yẹ máa gbàdúrà ẹ máa gbàdúrà gbogbo yín ẹ̀ ń worship Adébóyè ẹ̀ worship Ọlọ́run ẹ̀ ń worship Adébóyè ẹ̀ worship Ọlọ́run ìgbà tó ní ká gbé kándù tó ní ká gbé kóòmù jáde kẹ́ máa fi kóòmù yẹn mọ́ pẹ́lẹ́ dà tí ilẹ̀ ń pẹ̀ síbẹ̀ yẹn ẹ̀ lè kúrò ń bẹ̀ mọ́ kò sí kan tí ruwa ilé ìsọtẹ́ ẹ̀ lè gbọ́ ẹ̀ lè ẹ̀ bà kúrò ń bẹ̀ mọ́ láéláé ẹ lè ever kúrò ńbẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ lè kúrò torí ó ti manipulate ó ti fi oríṣiríṣi sí lórí débi pé ò lè gbọ́rọ̀ mọ́ gbogbo tí ìrùwà ẹ bá sọ ọ̀tá Adébóyè ni kò láìkì Redeem kí lókè máa ti Redeem ṣé Adébóyè fẹ́ fún mi ló jẹjẹ ni àbó fẹ́ fún mi ní mọ́tò àbó fẹ́ fún mi ní aṣọ tí n bá sọ pé mo hate ẹ the only issue pẹ̀lú èmi àti ẹ̀ ni wípé ó bu white garment church ó sọ̀rọ̀ white garment that is the only problem I have with him. If tó bá sọ nípa white garment church níjọ́ Sunday tó kọjá yìí Sunday ló rẹ̀ sọ torí àwọn press tó gbé jáde àwọn orí press tó gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ jáde and video ẹ̀ dẹ̀ tún wà why should you tó bá ti bú wa ní láti bú ẹ tó oníkálùkù bá ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn tiẹ̀ tí oníkálùkù bá ti ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn tiẹ̀ tí kò fi ìgà kan gbá wọn kan tí ò fi ìgà gbá wọn kan then kò sí wàhálà Adébóyè ló fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ jẹ̀sìn àwa náà dẹ̀rẹ̀ di gbogbo kérúbù gbogbo white garment church gbogbo sẹlẹ everybody wọ́n rẹ́dí àti fèsì ẹ this time around nígbà mọ́ ìwọ tó yẹ pé cultist ni ẹ ìwọ yẹ pé òwò lọ gangan lórí aláwo tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ pé lórí aláwo ni ẹ ìwọ tẹ́ pé ọlọ́gbà agbára nílùú India wọ́n fi ń deceive àwọn èèyàn ṣé ọ̀pá májíìkì kan ló fi hàn wá yẹn ṣé ọ̀pá májíìkì kan nìyẹn lórí kí wọ́n máa gbàdúrà lé lórí òun á ní ọ̀pá yẹn mo tọ́jú ẹ̀ síbì kan orí àwọn sórí májíìkì àwọn kan lo candle tá a bá lo candle tá a gbàgbọ́ lé lórí ni it's not kò bẹnu ẹ tá a bá lo candle Adébóyè tó bá ń gbọ́rọ̀ mi àbọ̀mọ́ ẹ bá ń gbọ́rọ̀ àbí àwọn family ẹ bá ń gbọ́rọ̀ mi àbí àwọn tó ń ṣerú lábẹ́ ẹ tó bá ń gbọ́rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí tí gbogbo wọn bá ń gbọ́ tó bá ń gbọ́rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ lọ́wọ́ yìí àwọn ọmọ ẹ bá ń gbọ́ wọn á mọ̀ pé tí mò ń sọ òótọ́ ni aláwo ni ẹ òun fún àmú bọ́dì ẹ ni you are not a man of God Adébóyè you are not a man of God you are not a man of God Adébóyè àwọn èèyàn ló kàn wọ́n ń pọ́n ẹ lé àwọn èèyàn kan ló kàn ń pọ́n ẹ lé you are not a man of God tó bá dé ó dà gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ tẹ̀lé ẹ̀tẹ́ bá rí àwọn ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹ̀ tí ẹ tẹ̀lé ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ bá rí àwọn ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹ̀ tẹ́ ń tẹ̀lé Adébóyè ọjọ́ ọ̀la Adébóyè ìjọ ọ̀la ẹ̀rí nǹkan gidi gbà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀rí skul tó dálẹ̀ inú ẹ̀yin ọmọ ẹ̀ mẹ́rin lè ti lọ skul mbẹ̀ the most expensive school ọdún ẹ̀ ló wà ẹ lọ́wọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀ ló ti rà tán official estate tó rà ẹ̀ náà kí ló fẹ́ estate yẹn ṣe dá mi lóhùn estate tí Adébóyè kọ́ ṣé ẹ lè gbénu bẹ̀ inú one room tí náà lẹ́wà the room and parlour mini flat 3 bedroom gbogbo tẹ make gbogbo owó tẹ make tẹ bá make owó tẹ gbowó oṣù tàbí ẹ kónú ẹ kó lọ fún Adébóyè kò ṣe rìdíìmù ló ń gbowó Adébóyè ló ń gbowó adé gbogbo owó tẹ all over the world in Lagos alone Èkó.
now lára àwọn pásítọ̀ tí mò ń sọ pé wọ́n jọ máa ń jẹ́lọ́sì ara wa ni torí pé wọ́n mọ ibi tán ti jọ dé wọ́n dẹ̀ mọ nǹkan tán máa ń ṣe kó tó lè dé level tán dé yẹn ó jáde ẹgbọ́n nǹkan tóun náà sọ.
There's nothing like seed offering in the Bible. There's not like seed offering. It's not there. The Bible says the seed is the word of God. It's pastors that are causing all this problem because it's seen as a business where you keep raising money, you buy jets, you build houses, and you flaunt it. I was a master in that gospel. Some of them is my template they are using.
Yes, because there are videos of you saying that if you don't pay your tithes, divorce will come for you.
I was Baba, that gospel. Most of them is from me, they learned. When I started ministry, BMA had not become born again. He had not been born again when I started. He was still in Sele.
So when did this change? Did your format cast?
My format didn't cast. What happened was, that shade of the gospel came in very slippery. I didn't even know when it came in. It was a gospel that started by saying, men of God should not be poor because God is not poor. Like that. It came from America. And it started making sense. And then we started seeing some men of God raising money and living better. So we also wanted to live better. So we bought their ideology and we improved on it. In the New Testament, we don't tithe. There's no percentage. God is not demanding something from you like a tax master. No. Christianity is historic and apostolic. That means what the apostles didn't do, we're not supposed to do. What Jesus didn't teach, we're not supposed to teach. What Jesus didn't do, we're not supposed to do. Jesus didn't pay tithe. Jesus didn't receive tithe. Paul didn't pay tithe. Paul didn't receive tithe. Peter didn't pay tithe. Peter didn't receive tithe. Because the book of Ephesians tells us that the church of Jesus is built on the foundation of the apostles and prophets. Christ himself, the cornerstone, which means it's apostolic and historic.
Yeah.
If you read the book of Acts, nobody paid tithe to anybody, but people gave. The Bible tells us people sold lands and houses and brought, and distribution was made so that everybody was taken care of and nobody was lacking inside the church. So in the New Testament, we don't tithe. What do we do in the New Testament? We give generously. We give willingly. God loves a cheerful giver. When you have experienced his goodness, when you have experienced his love, nobody will need to tell you to support his work on earth. It will flow naturally. That is New Testament. It is generosity, not 10%. I started ministry in 1984. 1984 was when I started preaching. I was all over the world. They were inviting me everywhere. I was the darling of all of them. and nobody attacked me when I was preaching that. The moment I shifted, and why did I shift? I got to where I was feeling empty. I got to where I was feeling empty. I will raise the money, collect all the things, drive with convoy, entourage, policemen, mobile, everywhere, all over. But I wasn't happy.
A man of God.
Yes.
Feeling empty.
Yes. I began to ask myself, is this all that there is to God? Give, take, give, take. I told my wife it doesn't make sense anymore. So we left church. We left our church. We traveled. And it was in the midst of this research and prayer that I came by Andrew Womack. Andrew Womack is a preacher in America. I don't like his style because he speaks very gently. I'm wild.
Yes.
So I came by all his books. I bought all of them. And as I was reading the first book, first 8 pages, I knew what was wrong with what I was doing. And because I had done theology, I understand Christology. So now everything started falling in place.
That's making sense.
So I came back to our church. I went to the pulpit. I said, church, I am apologizing sincerely. All the things I told you about tithe, seed, all that is not true. Please forgive me.
Wow.
If you allow me, I will make the record straight. But if you feel you can't trust me anymore and you want to leave, I understand. But those who can stay, I will make the record straight. Half of our church left.
Ó wà lára àwọn tó takú ọ̀rọ̀ Pastor Adébóyè. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tó takú ọ̀rọ̀ Pastor Adébóyè wípé ẹni tí ò bá san ìdá mẹ́wàá kò ní wọ ìjọba ọ̀run. Mo rò pé rògbòdìyàn pẹ̀tù bẹ́ẹ̀ gẹ́ tí Pastor Adébóyè fi jókòó wípé ó dáa. Tí ó bá kàn kí tó bá kàn lórí ibi tá à ń gbé sí. Nítorí pé mo rò pé ó ti fẹ́ máa affect àwọn ọmọ ìjọ ẹ̀ kọ̀ọ̀kan. Dádì. Ntẹ́ preach ṣé gbogbo àwọn tí ò tiẹ̀ wá lọ sí church rárá gan kọra pé wọ́n fẹ́ sọ̀dá mẹ́wàá ṣé gbogbo wọn náà ló máa ní òní wọ̀jọba ọ̀run ni àbí àwọn Indian tó yẹ pé ní ilẹ̀ Indian tó bá máa ka church gan agbára church ò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ pọ̀ òrìṣà ni wọ́n ń sìn lọ́hùn-ún àbí ilẹ̀ China ẹ̀sà dádì ṣé gbogbo wọn yìí náà ló máa wọ náà ní sà pé Pastor Adébóyè náà wá jókòó pé òótọ́ mà lọ̀rọ̀ tó sọ yìí kò mà sínú Bíbélì lóòótọ́ ṣùgbọ́n ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹni tó ti ń mu kọ́fì pẹ̀lú Elédùmarè gbogbo àgbáyé náà ló gbogbo ìjọ ẹ̀ gbogbo àgbáyé kọ́ ló gbàgbọ́ o àwọn ìjọ ẹ̀ ló máa gbàgbọ́ torí pé àwọn ìjọ yẹn ó ti yé yín àwọn náà ló máa gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń sọ bí bó ti wù kí màlúù pọ̀ tó ọ̀pá ẹyọ kan ni Fúlàní fi máa ń da màlúù ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi ó ti yé yín ẹ̀yin olóye Pastor Adébóyè jáde o gẹ́gẹ́ bí fídíò tẹ́ rí lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí fáfàní ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ bá tí ì rí ṣe mọ̀ pé mo sọ fún yín pé ẹ lè rí fídíò ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin tèmi máa sọ jáde nínú fídíò ó máa yàtọ̀ sílé tẹ̀tí ń gbọ́ Pastor Adébóyè jáde ó tọrọ àforíjì lẹ́yìn tó tọrọ àforíjì nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀.
To be apologizing for making a mistake, for saying that if you don't pay tithe, you might not make it to heaven. I'm sorry, that's wrong. That's not in the Bible. What the Bible says is, ye have peace with all men, and holiness, without which no man shall see God. Within an hour, it was already in the internet that Pastor Adébóyè says, don't pay tithes. I didn't say that. Fortunately, everything I said is on record. I went forward to tell my people, I say it is wrong to tie you down to 10% at a time when, by the grace of God, you should be far, far, far above 10%. You know, the only thing they put on the internet of all that thing that I said is that Pastor Adeboye apologized. And therefore, people should no longer pay their tithes. I said tithe should be minimum. It should be for beginners who are supposed to be united in prayer. In Nigeria, at least for now, are always arguing. And the elders have a saying, an elder cannot be in the market and the neck of the baby at the back of the mother will be twisted. Among the men of God in Nigeria today, I'm one of the oldest. I'm not saying I'm the greatest, so please don't misquote me. I didn't say I'm the greatest. All I said is I am one of the oldest. There are very few men of God in Nigeria today who are older than 82. So it just occurred to me, I must do something so that all these arguments and etc. will come to an end, so that we Christians, particularly we Pentecostals, can be united, and then our prayer will be heard by God. And I found that one of the most, how will you call it, contentious issue that have been causing a lot of arguments here and there in the past is the issue of tithe. So I made up my mind that I'm going to publicly ask for forgiveness for anything I, in particular, might have said wrong about tithing. So I told my children on Thursday night, I said something. I said that if you don't pay your tithes, you won't go to heaven. I said, that's not in the Bible. I said, I apologize. I said, what is in the Bible is that you are to follow peace with all men and holiness, without which no man shall see God. Within an hour, it was already in the internet that Pastor Adeboye says, don't pay tithes. I didn't say that. Fortunately, everything I said is on record. I went forward to tell my people, I say it is wrong to tie you down to 10% at a time when, by the grace of God, you should be far, far, far above 10%. I told them a story, not a new story, a story they have heard several times, that several years ago, I went to Tulsa to attend Kenneth Hagin's camp meeting. And they wanted to take an offering for their Bible college. And one man came to the altar together with his wife and asked for permission to speak. And they gave him the microphone. And he said, I beg all of you who are here today, give very well. Because whatever all of you give, that's what my wife and I alone will give. And we were about 17,000 people. What is this man saying? He said, anything all of you put together can give. That's what my wife and I alone will give. So some people say, this man is in trouble. Those who didn't want to give before now began to give. At the end, he said they should count everything. They counted, and it was $3.5 million that was contributed. They announced it. And we thought, hey, you are the one who got yourself into trouble. He took the microphone and said, brethren, is this all you can do? So I said, this man knows something I don't know. As soon as the service ended, I cornered him. Sir, please, I'm from Africa. I came all the way from Africa. Tell me your secret. Because you must know something that I don't know for you to do this kind of thing. He said, you want to know? I said, yes, sir. He said, 5 years ago, I started a business with $500. And I told God, this is your business. You are my senior partner. I will not insult you by giving you 10%. I will give you 90%. And I will make do with the remaining 10%. So it's up to you to bless the business. He said that was 5 years ago. He said this year, the turnover of that little company is $50 million. Hey? I said, thank you very much. And I came back home. And from that day onward, I began to increase the percentage I give to God. I told those of my friends who were around, oh, this is what I learned over there. Today, I am not close to 90%, but I'm far from 10%. I'm telling you the story I told my children on Thursday. So I said it is wrong to tie you down to 10% when God would have taken you to a higher percentage. I said at the beginning, when you were just born again, 10% is okay. It's the minimum God expects from you. But since then, you should have grown. That as you grow in the Lord, you should grow in praising Him, grow in winning souls, grow in praying, and grow in giving. In other words, I said the minimum for beginners is what God calls 10%. So I told my young ones, I said, so from now on, begin to increase what you give to God. You know, the only thing they put on the internet of all that thing that I said is that Pastor Adeboye apologized. And therefore, people should no longer pay their tithes. I said tithe should be minimum. It should be for beginners. What I didn't tell them then was there was a woman, Mrs. Graham Douglas of Port Harcourt. If you know those who are close to her, she's gone to be with the Lord now. You can check my story. She got born again and came to me and said, Daddy, I know how much I have wasted on parties before I got born again. I am not going to be giving 10%. I will be giving God at least 20% from now till I die. She was in a very poor situation at that time. She took that decision. God looked down on her and began to bless her. Before she died, she had become a board member of a very big bank. Because when you trade with God, you will not suffer a loss. What the word of God says is, when you sow generously, you will reap bountifully. That's the Bible. So I just want to make it clear. I didn't say don't pay your tithe. What I said is that should be your minimum. That's what I said. Now, to add to that, one of my pastors went on the internet and he said he wanted to preach a sermon on why people should not pay tithes. And I watched the sermon. In fact, when he was talking about preaching the sermon, I saw the way he was adjusting his jacket. So I thought, this man is ready for something serious. So I was ready. Quickly got my pen and paper. I wanted to learn some heavy stuff. I was disappointed. Because the sermon he preached was just a repetition of what other people have been saying. Forgive me for saying so. Very, very shallow sermon. He said we shouldn't pay tithe because Jesus didn't collect tithes. I said, Jesus was not a parish pastor. He was a world evangelist. Is that correct?
You build schools that members, students cannot attend. But you raise money from members to build that school. Oppression. What is different between that and slave trade? What's the difference? You raise money, and you tell them we want to build a school so our children can have a school to attend, You raise their money and they all contributed. You built the school and put the school fees where their children cannot attend. What is that not Yahoo? Wait, is that not Yahoo? It's Yahoo. It's not even Yahoo. It's Yahoo.
Ẹ̀yin ènìyàn mi, lẹ́yìn tí Pastor Adébóyè tó ṣe àforíjì tán, bàbá wa kan ẹni tí ẹ mọ̀ bí Ẹdínwówó, ìyẹn Ọba Solomon jáde ó béèrè àwọn ìbéèrè kankan. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, mo fẹ́ kẹ́ bá mi share fídíò yìí kó dọ́wọ́ àwọn ọmọ Redeem, kó dọ́wọ́ àwọn pastors wọn ní pàtàkì àwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn, kí ojú wọn tí Elédùmarè là yìí kó túbọ̀ lè là sí.
Bàbá wa Pastor Adébóyè, ẹ káàárọ̀ sà, sí àlàáfíà lẹ́wà, ẹ dàgbà, ẹ dògbó. A rí fídíò tí ẹ ṣe pé ẹ tọrọ àforíjì wípé ìdámẹ́wàá, pé ẹ sọ wípé ẹni tí kò bá san ìdámẹ́wàá kò ní wọ ìjọba ọ̀run, wípé it's a mistake. Mo máa ní àwọn ìbéèrè kan tí mo fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín sá. Ẹni kò sí ní Bíbélì, níbo lẹ́yìn ti rí tẹ́lẹ̀ kó ló dé pé ẹ sọ, àti wípé ṣé ó dáa kí ènìyàn Ọlọ́run kó máa sọ nǹkan tí ò sí nínú Bíbélì ọ̀rọ̀ Ọlọ́run? Kí ni Bíbélì sọ nípa ẹni tó bá fi kún ọ̀rọ̀ òun àti ẹni tó bá yọ kúrò? That is my one question. Kí ni ìdí tó fi jẹ́ wípé lẹ́yìn tẹ́ ti méèkì ẹ̀ tán lẹ́sẹ̀ wá decide wípé ẹ fẹ́ tọrọ àforíjì? Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ wípé àforíjì tẹ́ tọrọ yìí nísìnyí, ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé ẹ máa dínà mọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ tó kùn lẹ́yìn torí àwọn ọmọ ìjọ onísàn ìdá mẹ́wàá mọ́, ẹ̀yin kẹ́dẹ̀ ti méèkì ẹ̀? Sí ní báyìí, sí ẹ lè wá ṣe bí Sákéù nípa tó pàdé Jésù, ó ló máa ronú padà gbogbo ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ òun, ó ní àwọn tóun ti fi ipá gba owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ wípé ó máa dá padà fún un ní ìlọ́po méjì. Sí ẹ̀yin náà lè wá ṣe bí Sákéù, gbogbo ìdámẹ́wàá tí ẹ ti sọ fún àwọn ènìyàn wípé tí ẹni tó ti, gbogbo àwọn tó ti san ìdámẹ́wàá torí wípé ẹ ti sọ fún wọn wípé tí wọn ò bá san ìdámẹ́wàá wọn ní wọ ìjọba ọ̀run, sí ẹ lè wá dá ìdámẹ́wàá wọn padà fún wọn kí Ọlọ́run lè gba ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín.
Ọ̀rọ̀ ló gbẹ̀yìn láti ẹnu Ọba Solomon. This is Gloria Popsi. Thank you for watching.
Àwọn ìbéèrè tí fẹ́ béèrè lọ́wọ́ ènìyàn sá, Ọlọ́run ràn yín lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ lórí ìdààmú, bọ̀ mo gbà yín ní àmọ̀ràn torí kò ní dá kí àwa ènìyàn ká máa tàn ara wa. Tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kí Ọlọ́run gba ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín tàbí kó gba ìdáríjì yín, gbogbo àwọn ẹ̀dá ènìyàn tó ti san ìdámẹ́wàá fún yín torí wípé sọ wípé wọn ò ní rí ìjọba ọ̀run wọ̀ tí wọn ò bá san, ó yẹ kẹ́ lè dáwọ́ wọn padà fún wọn. Ìgbà yẹn la máa mọ̀ wípé lóòótọ́ ẹ fẹ́ ronú pìwàdà àti wípé ẹ ti rẹ́dí àti tọrọ ìdáríjì ẹ̀ṣẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé ìdáríjì tẹ́ tọrọ yìí ó máa jẹ́ kí ebi pa àwọn pásítọ̀. Ebi máa pa àwọn tí ò tí ì gòkè lẹ́yìn tẹ́yìn ti ṣoríire tán lẹ́yìn ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ wá jẹ́wọ́, sẹ́rí pé ti dínà mọ́ àwọn tó wà lẹ́yìn torí ìdámẹ́wàá ò ní pé mọ́ any moment from now. So bàbá, Ọlọ́run ràn yín lọ́wọ́, ìyẹn ti bàbá Adébóyè. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Nàìjíríà, àti 2021 mo ti máa ń bá yín sọ̀rọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ẹni wèrè ni mí. Ṣùgbọ́n ìgbà tí mo rí wípé àwọn ọmọ mi ti pọ̀ ń ta ló wà tí mo fi step down. Ó yẹ kí ẹ máa bọ́ mi ní Nàìjíríà ni, ó yẹ kí ìjọba Nàìjíríà máa fún mi lówó torí mo ti sọ fún yín tipẹ́ pé ìdámẹ́wàá, àwọn pásítọ̀ sọ wípé Old Testament ò dáa, but inú Old Testament náà ti yọ ìdámẹ́wàá. Ìdámẹ́wàá ọrẹ àtinúwá ni, ẹni tó bá san, tó bá wá láti inú ẹ̀ tó bá san, kì í ṣe àfipásí, kì í ṣe tipátipá, kì í ṣe by fire by force. Ìdámẹ́wàá ò ní í ṣe pẹ̀lú ìjọba ọ̀run torí pé ó jẹ́ Kristẹni kò sọ wípé kó má lọ sílé babaláwo, kó má lọ yẹ nǹkan wò torí Dáfídì tó bá fẹ́ lọ sójú ogun ó máa lo nǹkan tó ń pè ní éfódù. Éfódù ìgbà ẹni fá òde òní, éfódù Úrímù á béèrè ọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ pé ṣé kí n lọ sójú ogun kàbí kí n má lọ. Paul ó fi apron tí àwa Yorùbá ń pè ní ìbàǹtẹ́ ó fi ṣiṣẹ́ ìwòsàn fún àwọn ènìyàn, Bíbélì pè ní àkànṣe iṣẹ́. Ọlọ́run sì tẹ́wọ́ Paul ṣe iṣẹ́ àkànṣe, that is Act of Apostle chapter 11 19 to 20, no, Act of Apostle 19 verse 11 to 12 ló sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹ̀yin generation yìí ẹ lọ ro ọpọlọ yín dáadáa, kò sí ìkan tó burú téèyàn bá lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì tí owó ìdámẹ́wàá bá wà lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ tó bá wọ̀n ẹ́ láti san, bóyá pásítọ̀ ẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ dáadáa ó fẹ́ fún lówó wọlé fún, but ìdámẹ́wàá ò kàn sí fún ti pásítọ̀, àwọn tálákà ló ní ìdámẹ́wàá, àwọn aláìní. Ìdámẹ́wàá ò dẹ̀ kì í ṣe owó, ìdámẹ́wàá jẹ́ oúnjẹ tí àwọn ènìyàn máa kó lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì táwọn èèyàn máa pín. Ẹ mú gbogbo ìdámẹ́wàá sílé ìṣúra, kì í ṣe dandan kíbẹ̀ jẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì, ẹ lè kọ́ ilé kan ẹ̀yin olówó kẹ́ lọ máa kó oúnjẹ síbẹ̀, so àwọn èèyàn lè láǹfààní láti lọ máa gbóúnjẹ àwọn tó bá kún dé káàtó fún. Wọ́n ṣe ẹ̀sìn kò sọ fún wípé kó má lè ṣe nǹkan tó tọ́ sí ẹ, kò sọ pé kó má lè lọ sọ́dọ̀ babaláwo kó lọ gba nǹkan tó má ṣe ìwòsàn fún ara rẹ̀. Kò sí ìyàtọ̀ wípé kó sọ fún wípé lórúkọ Jésù kí gbogbo ikún tẹríba, kí àìsàn sí ẹ kó lọ sí hospital kó lọ gbọ́ oògùn. O ti sin Ọlọ́run míì nìyẹn, o ti gbẹ́kẹ̀lé ìkan míì yàtọ̀ sí orúkọ Ọlọ́run nìyẹn, yàtọ̀ sí orúkọ Jésù nìyẹn. ẹ rí pé mi ò bá yín sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ ní Nàìjíríà torí mo pa ọmọ mi ti pọ̀ ń gbòòrò àwọn èèyàn tó ti jáde pọ̀. Èmi ló là yín lójú ní Nàìjíríà, whether you like it or not. I have started my program 2021 to tell the whole world that religion bring hatred, while love bring everybody together. Tó bá ti ń ṣe ẹ̀sìn ẹ lọ, má gbé ẹ̀sìn sórí, èjìká lè yẹn má gbé ẹ̀sìn sí. Lọ sí ṣọ́ọ̀ṣì kó lọ múnú ara ẹ̀dùn kó lọ make ara happy. Kì í ṣe gbogbo kan táwọn pásítọ̀ fẹ́ bá sọ fún yín ní kẹ́ máa tẹ̀lé. Ẹ wo ọkọ̀ tó bàbá yín sọ yín sí ó ti dìnnà mọ́ àwọn pásítọ̀ tó kù. Àwọn pásítọ̀ tó kù yín sì ò lè rí ṣe mọ́. Torí ìdámẹ́wàá ní everybody gbójúlé tó fi ṣe pásítọ̀. Nígbà wọ́n ti jẹ́wọ́ wípé mistake ni kò sí ní Bíbélì wípé ẹni tó bá sọ̀dá mẹ́wàá kò ní wọ ìjọba àrùn. Many people will draw back, they will not pay it again. Ebi máa pa àwọn pásítọ̀, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. Ebi ló ń pa manámaná kù. Ẹ lọ kọ́sẹ̀, ẹ lọ wá nǹkan gidi ṣe. Let's make Nigeria better. Ẹ ká jọ sọwọ́ pọ̀ kí Nigeria lè ní lọ síwájú. So Pastor Adébóyè, Ọlọ́run wà pẹ̀lú yín sà. So àtúnṣe yìí dábàá fẹ́ ṣe tán, ẹ jọ̀ọ́ mo bẹ̀ yín tó Ọlọ́run. Àwọn tí ẹ ti sọ fún wípé tí wọn ò bá sùn ìdámẹ́wàá wọn ò ní wọ ìjọba ọ̀run, ẹ ti jẹ́wọ́ ẹ̀sìn pé kò sí Bíbélì, ẹ dáwọ́ wọn padà fún wọn. Kí ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín, kí Ọlọ́run bá lè gba ẹ̀bẹ̀ yín, kẹ́ bá lè ráàánú gbà. Àgbà ti dé o. Kẹ́ lè rí nǹkan dá padà sí ọ̀dọ̀ ẹni tó rán yín níṣẹ́, tó bá jẹ́ pé lóòótọ́ lè lọ nìkan rán yín níṣẹ́ ni o. Torí ẹ̀yin nìkan lẹ mọ̀ bóyá èèyàn kan rán yín níṣẹ́, bóyá ẹnìkan rán yín níṣẹ́. Bọ̀dọ̀ bá yẹ pé fẹ́ lóòótọ́ lẹ fẹ́ lọ jíyìn fún ẹnìyẹn. Ẹ gbìyànjú kẹ́ dáwọ́ àwọn tí ẹ ti sọ fún wípé tí wọn ò bá sọ ìdámẹ́wàá wọn ní rọrùn wọ̀, tó dẹ̀ jẹ́ pé ìbẹ̀rù iná fi sanwó fún yín, ẹ dáwọ́ wọn padà fún wọn.